It's getting serious, make a bitch delirious. Bitches on my dick, cause a boy so mysterious. That's a mystery, thoughts making history. Wrist keeps spinning like a fucking rotisserie. David let him in, I said him in, I'm better man. She run me out just like I said to man. I love my candy, tryna be a little sweeter man. I'm after money, need my money, I'm a greedy man. Money on my grave, I run it up until I die. Got some eyes in every spot, I'm flashing like a fly.
Alexa, play Lil Pump.
Shuffling songs by Lil Pump.
Nice to the root, to the B, to the Rick. Banshee, Moyu, make your dawn pick. N to the I, to the C, to the
Look, I just flipped the switch. Flip, flip. I don't know nobody else that's doing.
He's so tall and handsome as hell. He's so bad, but he does it so well.
Damn, boy. Damn, boy, he's thick. Boy, that's a thick ass boy. Damn.
Hey, Imani, shout out to Eric Zhao, Cube Depot. Yeah, TG Cubes. Hey, yeah, let's go. Hey, yeah, let's do this. Yeah, where do you go to get cubes to feel good? If you're living in the suburbs or you're living in the hood, I'm telling you, dude, I know the place you gotta go. The best US Cube store, Cube Depot, located in Astoria and founded in '09. They stocked up every single puzzle that you feel like trying. We'll get your cubes to you real fast and
You guys thought this is easy cubing.
nice to the root, to the B, to the Rick. Let's go! Moyu, make your dawn pick.
So as you guys can tell, I am super excited because today I launched my merge. So guys, I've been working on this merge for a couple of months now, and there were some difficulties getting a website, all that stuff, but it is finally here. I'm just starting off simple, guys, but I'll have a lot cooler designs coming in the near future. As you guys can tell, I kind of took the Supreme idea and put easy cubing in it.
You're making me very uncomfortable. Please leave.
Super cool.
Please leave.
Anyways, I made sweatshirts, shirts, jackets, and just anything you guys could think of. I made bottles, hats, and just all of the above. I tried to make this merge super cheap, guys, because I'm not trying to make money off this.
Young gravity, I pull your bitch. I got all these hoes revolving around my dick.